Another quick video on this Chrysler 300M Special. It's a 2004 with 156,273 miles on it, which is still in pretty good condition for a car that's almost 20 years old. As you can see, it'll start up with no check engine lights. Low tire pressure. Dash cam. But it sounds pretty good. Okay, the reason why I be making these videos on this car, which is again almost 20 years old, is because the engine's pretty much brand new. I got this car from the second owner. The original owner back in 2004 bought this car obviously brand new, but in 2015, let me take the key out. In 2015, the original owner had this car rebuilt, the engine rebuilt. Here's the paperwork. Let me focus in on it. Okay, as you can see, it had 126,556 miles on it when they had the engine rebuilt. Right now it has 156,000 miles. This was the issue that the original owner was having, and this is, let me focus in, you can pause the video, but this is all the work that was done on the vehicle, price, everything. It was done at, let me get the other paper, David Ellis Chrysler Jeep. So these are genuine parts. So I talked to the service tech that actually did the work on this engine, and he said pretty much the engine is practically brand new. Only thing that was left from the original engine in 2004 is the block, but everything else was replaced. Spent a lot of money on this car. They had the engine rebuilt. As you can see, it was originally purchased March 15, 2004 with 8 original miles. And you can see when the date and the mileage that was done when they had the work done, obviously. When it was in, when they had the work done. Okay, here's more paperwork. The issue was when I got it, it was throwing up a code P1776. Basically, all it was is this solenoid block right here. I had to replace the solenoid block, and I did the valve body as I changed this solenoid pack. Check engine light went out. That's all it was. With these vehicles, the LH, and I believe LX, from 93 all the way up to 2010, they're known for the solenoid pack failing. And this is all it was. Transmission was in good condition. It's just that the solenoid block needed to be changed. So I covered 2 bases and just changed the valve body, which really didn't need to be changed. But that's pretty much it. And you tell me in the comments, is this engine technically a brand new engine, or has, what, 30,000 miles on it from the time they originally built the engine, rebuilt the engine? So again, you know, that's why I keep this car. And those of you who do have Chryslers, and those of you who do not have Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, if you want to know if you have any codes, if you don't have a scanner tool, stick the key in the ignition, turn it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Leave it in the on position. See how it says done? There you go. Now if you would have any codes, it would pop up before it says done. Because this car do not have any codes, no check engine light, there's nothing wrong with this vehicle. Again, another video on this 2004 Chrysler 300M Special.